Carl Bradford from Shatter Motorsports here with Steve from Seizmik, and today he's going to show us the brand new Halo RA rear view mirror.
So this is a mirror that mounts inside the vehicle, and the bezel and the clamp in the back are all CNC billet aluminum. It is super sexy, super strong, and super adjustable. You can replace the glass in this mirror if the glass ever breaks. It's mechanically attached, it holds the mirror on there. It gives you an unbelievable range of temperatures that this mirror can handle, broader range than any other mirror that there is. And the clamp in the back is lockable, so that you can tighten up these bolts here, and you can make it so the ball joint doesn't move. So if you jump and you're having hard landings and it moves your mirror all the time, you can tighten this up so it doesn't even move. The clamp is wildly adjustable and super high end and super nice and really sexy looking also, by the way. And so you can mount your mirror like this, or like this, or like this. So it will work in a wide range of vehicles with a lot of other things that you might have installed on the vehicle. And just like all the Seizmik mirrors, we make a bunch of different models to fit in a whole bunch of different vehicles. We've got them for the Razors, Can-Am X3s, Honda Pioneers, Polaris Rangers. We can fit pretty much every vehicle that there is with the Halo RA. And just like every single mirror that Seizmik makes, unlimited lifetime warranty on this thing.
And there you go, the Halo RA from Seizmik. If you're looking to put a rear view mirror in your vehicle, this is one you should probably take a look at. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. I'm Kyle from Shatter Motorsports. Until next time, take care and ride safe.